Lila and the Crystal Lake. Lila was a curious girl who loved walking in green meadows. One day she saw a sparkling path leading into the forest. She followed the trail until she reached a hidden crystal lake. The water sparkled with colors like diamonds under the warm sunlight. Suddenly a gentle voice whispered, "Welcome, Lila, to Crystal Lake." Lila gasped, "The lake can talk to me. This must be a dream." The lake said gently, "I guard the secrets of kindness and hope. But my light is fading because people have stopped being kind." Lila knelt and said, "I will help you and you will shine again." Lila dipped her hands in the water, and it glowed brighter like stars. The trees reflected the light and birds began singing happily. Fishes in the lake swam in circles, creating rainbow ripples around. The lake said, "Your kindness has brought back my shining strength." Suddenly a crystal flower bloomed on the surface of the water. Lila picked the crystal flower gently, and it shone in her hands. The lake whispered, "This flower will remind you to stay kind and gentle." Lila promised, "I will share kindness and support to everyone I meet." The forest animals gathered around, clapping and cheering for Lila. Butterflies danced above her, painting the air with bright colors. The lake sparkled brighter than ever, shining across the whole forest. "Thank you, Lila," the lake said. "You saved my magic and shine." Lila waved goodbye, holding her crystal flower close to her heart. Lila walked home as the forest glowed softly behind her path. Lila whispered, "Kindness can bring light even in darkest times." From that day, Lila always carried kindness like a shining treasure.
Please follow, like, subscribe, share. Thank you.